Morgan. Oh dear. Oh dear. Morgan. It's your favourite lift company. Capacity 8 person, 60 kilos. Installed 2022. So this used to be that tiny little old lift, I think. Or maybe that was a different one. I'm not too sure, but this is definitely one of them.
Door opening.
I think we shouldn't be up here.
Door closing. Lift going down. Zero.
Wow. Cheap.
Door opening.
Well, I think this is slightly bigger. I think I know where the other lift is actually. I think I've got a feeling that I saw another lift. I'm not sure if that was the same one. Literally right next to it. I found this as well. I'm not going to go in it, but it's actually right next to this one. I think that was the tiny lift, the Jim 112 film, but then it's through here. I don't really want to mess around with that. And that's it.